Hi everyone, in this video I will show how to connect to Microsoft Teams using PowerShell. You can do many things by going to the Microsoft Teams admin center, but still you need to use PowerShell to enable or disable a setting or feature. And it's a good idea to know PowerShell in general. If you're trying to connect for the first time, you need to install the module first. To install the module, do the following. Yes to all. So I installed Microsoft Teams module, as you can see here. Now I need to connect to the Microsoft Teams admin center. In my tenant, I have two-factor authentication enabled, so I need to use a different command. I will include commands for single-factor authentication in the description if you haven't enabled two-factor authentication. And here's how you connect to Microsoft Teams admin center. As you can see, I was able to connect to my tenant. Here's my tenant and here's my tenant ID number. And for the, as an example, I can just run get-CS Teams meeting policy to get the meeting policy in my tenant. As always, make sure you remove the session once you're done using PowerShell. To remove the session, you just need to do the following. Here's the ID number. I'll put 2 here. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.